want to take a look at starting an account with XYZ Homework. So as a new student, never having used it, I want to register as a new student first. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in the information here. And we'll create a password. Okay, let me see if I can scroll down a little bit further. Read the terms of use. I've already done that ahead of time, so I'm going to go ahead and click register. Maybe. There it goes. Okay, and now it says here is the information you will need to enroll. We've got the website, we've got our email username and the password that I just used, and I want to go ahead and log in. The course ID is going to be provided by your instructor. So I'm going to log in now using the information. All right, let's see. Log in now. All right, so your grace period expires on June 17th. I do have like a 2-week grace period, so I want to make sure I activate my account before then, but I'm going to go ahead and just go through the process now to show you how to enroll. The course ID is going to be provided by your instructor. For me, I'm going to use 24037 and enroll now. Okay, I think I typed something in wrong there, so let's try this again. Enroll in a new course, put in my number here, 24037, enroll now, and it says I've been enrolled. So let's go ahead and check out the main page of this course. Here's my class, OpenStax, College Algebra 2020, and I come in here, and this red banner is going to stay there until I make sure I activate my account. Make sure you do that before the grace period expires so you don't lose anything. So I see a calendar here with some initial assignments. I scroll down a little bit and I find an ebook. This will get me to a PDF version. I'll link to Jeffco Blackboard so I can go back and see class information and the modules, an intro homework assignment, a basic skills quiz, a learning contract that completes my orientation process. All of that's available for me here. Once that is all done, I'm going to come back in and go ahead and go to chapter 2 and begin working on that material. That's really all there is to signing up for XYZ. It's a great system, and we do have our PDF book available for us. I'll show you one other thing real quick. If you go to the textbook, this is the PDF version, and it's a straight PDF, so it's not the easiest to navigate, but it goes directly to chapter 2. If instead you click on this link, it's the online version of it, and it's got a little bit easier way of navigating. So you can see that I've got, I can scroll over here, a table of contents, and I can quickly go to whatever section I want all the way through the entire textbook. I could download it as a PDF from here. You can also order a print version if you really want that. So that's our XYZ system. Hope you enjoy it.